Making popcorn in a Super Adventure 1290R might not be a very good idea. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. I bought 2 bags of popcorn.
Bruh.
Yeah, and without further ado, I gotta say, my Jimmy looked really cool. Now, 2 bags of popcorn, why? Well, because I've seen some internet videos that are going around and around and around with famous people actually throwing corn into their motorcycle exhaust. Now, I do wonder, can I actually make popcorn with my exhaust? Now, you guys have seen from my last video that I have been taking the Super Adventure 1290R out for a ride. Third gear. And yeah, it is still hot. I still have my motorcycle gear on, as you can tell by my beautiful hair.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la, my ding-ding-dong.
I just went on a bike ride. So the engine and the exhaust should still be blazing hot. We're going to throw some corn in there, and let's actually see if this works. I always thought that throwing corn into your exhaust is going to end up in a spontaneous fire and your bike absolutely being destroyed. But after I saw Matthias Wagner, no way Matthias really did that. I should be able to do it too. Yep, that's corn. I'm pretty sure that I've been making better videos as this, but you know.
Oh no, you don't! Oh, what are you doing? Ah, stop!
Get it. Not really sure how much I should put in there, but let's make it enough, right? And the bottom hole, I'm gonna put a couple in the lower ones. This is a really bad idea. This is actually a really bad idea. I got a bad feeling that I'm gonna have to take the silencer off and shake it out, because there's some corn in there. Oh boy, no bueno. These are titanium clothing hangers. Titanium. They can even pull my weight. No way, this is not happening. This is not happening. I'm not really sure that this is actually very healthy. Making popcorn in a Super Adventure 1290R might not be a very good idea. There is still a lot of corn in there. And some of these parts are just coming out all charcoaled. Look at that. That's not good. That's not delicious as well. This is bad. Ugh. It is still popping corn in there. Oh no, oh no. Yeah. So we all know by now, it is not a myth. It is actually true. You can actually make popcorn. There's still a little bit of corn in my eye, and I have contact lenses, and this is very painful, so I have to take them out. And I'm probably going to have to take the silencer out as well, because it's still stuck with popcorn. It smells very good in my garage, I gotta say that. That is it for today's video. Next video, probably going to be working on the CT125 again, or some more motorcycle adventures with the 1290R. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, because you absolutely learned something that you can make popcorn with your exhaust today. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace! I gotta clean up my garage, god dang it. Smells good though. See ya! Thank you all for watching. If you want to see my latest video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done over here. And if you want to become a full-time YouTuber, as you can see by my play buttons yourself, go to smokeytube.com, and over there I have the perfect all-in-one how to YouTube course. Yeah.